In today's video, I want to share with you a few compelling reasons why I'm going all in on Tesla stock and why I'm planning to buy even more. But first, be sure to give this video a thumbs up to trigger the YouTube algorithm and be sure to subscribe to Only Pay. Tesla stock continues its downward trend. So why do investors keep buying? Should you keep buying? Keep watching to find out what could be your best strategy on this one. By the end of this decade, Tesla's electric vehicles will revolutionize the automotive industry, mark my words. Experts like Professor Ray Wills predict that by 2030, almost all vehicles on the road will be electric vehicles, while Gary Black and Elon Musk have different projections. Tesla will be the most popular automaker in the world. Nevertheless, the move away from internal combustion engines is apparent as evidenced by legacy automakers ceasing production of gas-powered car models. Scaling production globally is a challenge, but Tesla is at the fore, with being the closest competitor in terms of scalability. Tesla's ability to capture 15 to 20 of the car market share and in all EV futures is significant and solidifies its leadership position. While short-term fluctuations may occur, as a long-term investor, I believe Tesla will one day become the most valuable company in the world, and Tesla's dedication to long-term success aligns with my investment strategy. I continue to have faith in the company's ability to expand and innovate. Tesla's unwavering commitment to technological advancement, their focus on energy solutions and autonomous vehicles positions them at the forefront of the sector. Beyond just being an automaker, Tesla is positioning itself as an energy company that seeks to transform transportation. The company has a devoted and passionate following, similar to Apple's dominance in the phone market, where Apple holds an average global market share of 18% and generates enormous profits. Tesla's success in the EP market will be fueled by its strong brand presence and devoted customer base. This brand equity gives them a competitive edge over other automakers and solidifies their position as a leader. In contrast to traditional automakers, Tesla's innovative approach and vertical integration contribute to its long-term potential. Tesla has complete control over every aspect of its operations, from battery development to vehicle production. This vertical integration gives them a competitive edge by facilitating quicker innovation, cost savings, and quality assurance. Last but not least, Tesla's dedication to advancing the field of electric vehicle technology and continuously improving its product solidifies the company's position as an industry leader. Tesla stands out due to its global expansion and strategic positioning, and is a key player in scaling production. Tesla's ability to deliver across the globe vehicles, gigafactories in numerous nations, and their future expansion plans ensure that they can satisfy the increasing demand for electric vehicles around the world. Tesla's commitment to fostering EV adoption and creating a seamless ownership experience is reinforced by its investment in infrastructure development, such as supercharger networks. The Cybertruck is one feature that distinguishes Tesla. Let that sink in for a moment. It appears that many people, including investors, have disregarded the fact that Tesla has received a staggering 1.5 million pre-orders for this distinctive truck. No other automaker can boast such a remarkable number of pre-orders for a truck in terms of revenue potential. If each Cybertruck is sold for $50,000, that equals a staggering $75 billion, and with a 16% operating margin, the profits could reach $12 billion just from pre-orders alone. But that's not all. In addition to the Cybertruck, there are other exciting things in the works. The next-generation vehicle, for which production facilities are being built in Mexico, is another ace up Tesla's sleeve. By the end of 2024 or the beginning of 2025, this new model is anticipated to be available. Imagine that by the year 25, the Cybertruck production will be increasing to between 250,000 and 300,000 units per day, while the $25,000 to $30,000 next-gen. Additionally, vehicles are produced. It is impossible to overstate the scope of this project. So let's move on to the third reason to believe in Tesla. Full self-driving technology success. I'm confident that Tesla will be the first business to figure out the solution to this difficult problem. Why am I so sure of myself? Take a look at this test. 1 million miles per day are traveled using SSD, and the customers alone log more than 120 million miles daily. When compared to the competition, however, the vast amount of data gathered from real-world driving experiences offers priceless insights to improve and enhance SSD capabilities. Compared to Tesla's SSD system, companies like Cruise and Waymo with their multi-year lifelines have only driven 1 million miles on public roads without human intervention. I'm a firm believer in Tesla's ability to solve full self-driving, and once they crack the code, it's going to be a game-changer, gathering data from millions of miles driven every single day. This will result in a significant increase in Tesla's overall value because it won't just be about how many vehicles Tesla sells. It will also take into account how many people are out for SSD and how many current Tesla owners choose to upgrade. For those who are worried about Tesla cutting prices and short-term margin declines, it is a huge development. If not, perhaps skipping investing in Tesla stock isn't the best course of action. I'm not a financial advisor, but those are just my thoughts and justifications for it. I know many of you might be feeling anxious, especially if this is your first time seeing your portfolio take a nosedive by 50 or more. I get it, it can be terrifying and keep you up at night. But here's the thing, investing is a long-term gain. We're thinking beyond the next few months or even the next year. But you know what? There were also moments when it skyrocketed by 400 or 500% volatility is part of the stock market, especially with a stock like Tesla. Tesla is not just a car company. We all know that, right? Sure, their current numbers and profits suggest they're primarily focused on vehicles. About 85 to 90% of their sales and profits come from the automotive side. So yeah, they look like a car company for now, but mark my words, things will change in the 2030s. Energy is slowly but surely becoming a more significant part of Tesla's business, and once FSD is fully solved, Tesla will transform into an AI energy company. This shift will significantly impact their sales and profits, potentially taking up 50 or more of their revenue. Tesla won't just be about cars anymore. In other words, energy and FSD are the real giants we'll hear when compared to vehicles. And when that happens, I wouldn't be surprised to see Tesla's revenue and profits reaching the astonishing 11 to 12-digit range. The problem is Wall Street hasn't fully recognized these aspects of Tesla, that they'll only see it once it's already happened, just like what occurred in 2010 money when the stock jumped 5 to 10 times. Maybe it won't be as dramatic this time, but a significant surge is imminent once FSD is solved and energy becomes a massive part of Tesla. Trust me, it's going to be a game changer. Before we wrap up, let me provide you with some context. Remember, when Amazon's management talked about the potential of its AWS service for years, people didn't pay much attention because they believed it would never happen and thought it was a waste of money. But guess what? AWS helped Amazon become the most valuable company in the world in the mid-2010s, and we are now seeing a similar situation with Tesla and FSD. Critics claim that there is too much competition, obtaining regulatory approvals is difficult, and countries won't permit it, but the data shows otherwise. Data indicates that FSD can drive more safely than a human. Give it another 2 or 3 years and you'll see FSD progressing significantly. By the 2030s, it may be common for cars to drive themselves, and people may wonder why you bother to drive manually. I may be wrong, but that's the direction we're going, so if you disagree, let me know in the comments section below. Also, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe.